हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माई चैनल ट्रेड विद हेमंत में। आज का डेट है 7/5/2021 और अभी टाइम हो रहा है 9:56 AM। मार्केट रेट बहुत अच्छी तरह गैप अप ओपन हुआ है और वहां से एक 50 पॉइंट मूव करके वहां से नीचे आ रहा है। तो अभी मार्केट है 837 पे और मैं यहाँ 14,800 का स्ट्रैडल बनाने जा रहा हूँ। 14,800 स्ट्रैडल इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि मार्केट मुझे लगता है कि नीचे आएगा। 14,800 PE, क्वांटिटी 1,800 कर लेता हूँ, जीरो प्राइस, इसको मैंने ऐड कर लिया और यहाँ पे 14,800 कॉल को भी ऐड कर लेता हूँ, 1,800 क्वांटिटी। मैंने यहाँ पे दोनों को ऐड कर लिया है, तो अभी सबमिट कर लेता हूँ। थाउजेंड 1,800 क्वांटिटी मेरे ऑर्डर्स यहाँ पे पंच हो चुके हैं। अगर मार्केट नीचे गिरता है तो फायदा प्रॉफिट होने का चांसेस रहता है, तो मैं यहाँ पे एग्जिट के लिए रेडी होके रखता हूँ। इस सिंगल क्लिक में दोनों लेग एग्जिट हो जाते हैं। 1,700 प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है, इसे 1 पॉइंट का प्रॉफिट। $2,000 मार्केट ये लेवल को 1,820 ये लेवल को पार करके अगर नीचे आ जाएगा 1,800 तक तो फायदा जल्दी मिल जाएगा। बिकॉज जो मैंने लिया है कॉल का प्रीमियम वो ज्यादा है और पुट का प्रीमियम कम है। मैं बायस्ड हूं लोअर तरफ, तो कॉल का जो डीके होता है वो ज्यादा होता है और पुट का जो प्रीमियम बढ़ता है वो कम बढ़ता है। वेट करता हूं थोड़ी देर। अभी टाइम 10:11 हो चुका है और यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट 1,000 रुपीज तक दिखाई दे रहा है। मैं एक काम करता हूँ और एक 900 क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे ऐड कर लेता हूँ। पुट को मैंने ऐड कर लिया यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कॉल को भी ऐड कर लेता हूँ। तो दोनों को ऐड कर लिया है। लेट मी पंच। तो 2,700 क्वांटिटी, 2,700 क्वांटिटी ईच लेग आई हैव सोल्ड। Let me keep my legs ready for exit. This is submit button and in a single click I can exit all my quantity. market has to come down to 1800. Means today's low it has to break, so that I can get more profit over here. The last resistance market has taken at 14823. It has to break first, and then it has to break the support of 14820. If it comes to 14,800, then I can expect some 5 to 6 points of profit, because the call which I have taken is at 158 and the put which I have taken is only 116. There is a bias over here. The call falls more, decays more than the put rising. That's what my anticipation over here. If the market falls, if market turns upside, then yes, I have to book the loss. This is a 20 moving average what we are seeing over here. At least the market is trading below 20 days 20 period moving average, and the candle timings are kept only 3 minutes. Market has come down to 14,816 and the profit has come down to around 6,000 rupees, 6,500, 7,000. It has to come to 14,800 exactly, so that the profit over here 2 points will come to around some 6 to 7 points. It's the day low which is trying to break. It has to break the day's low and sustain at least in 3 minutes candle. It has to come in this zone. If come to this zone, then I can expect more than 10,000 rupees of profit. That will be around some 5 points over here. You have to wait. RSI has come down below 60. Now it's a 54. Put has gone to 120, means 4 rupees. 6 rupees is increased, and call has come down 6 rupees. On average, I have nearing to 1 rupee profit over here. Now the time is 10:36 and market has taken second time support at 14,820. Our profit is around some 2 rupees. 5,000, 6,000 profit is going on. The call which I have sold at 158, now it is at 156, and the put which I have sold at 116.70, now it is 116.95. Means we are about there only, it is there. No, but the call has given me 1 rupee or 2 rupee profit. I'll keep ready for exit because we don't know when the spike comes. If the spike is in the upper side, then surely there will be a loss and I have to book loss. If the spike is in the lower side, then no problem. I can wait in the trade until the next support at 14,780. I can wait, but it has to break 14,820 support and sustain below that one, at least in 3 minutes candle. Now the profit is around 2-3 points. 9,000 rupees is a profit turning now. Fluctuation will be more because the quantity also is more. 2,700 quantity in each leg. Market has broken the support of 14,817. The 158 call has come to 147 and 116 put has gone to 125. 19,000-20,000 is the profit which is showing. I'll exit. Okay, I have exited my trade with a profit of 15,900 rupees. You can see here total sell quantity was 2,700 into both the call and put, and I have exited my trade here. Let me refresh it once again. Yes, 15,900 is the profit. Here, yes, it has gone to 22,000 rupees. Could have waited. The market is falling down. Yes, market has continued to falling, but I have exited. And 16k is not a bad profit. As I told, the market is if it comes to 14,800, I can make a good profit of at least 10 points profit. Now it is 6 points is there. Okay, this much is enough for today. Anyhow, today is Friday, so no greed for here. Thank you for watching the video.